definitely think I got my work cut out for me on this one. Let me show you what I'm working with. Had a tree come down and just kind of javelin straight into her master bedroom. And there's quite a few holes kind of everywhere on this roof. So it's gonna be a fairly large start. Gonna take a little bit. We're gonna fix up right so she's nice and watertight. While we wait on the insurance team to decide what they want to do with this roof. All done, guys. See you on the next one.